Alright, welcome to the scrapping and fishing channel. Hope you like it. We're going to go do a early morning pick. Don't think we'll be out while the sun's up, but we'll see how it is. And hopefully it'll be real nice. So, how are you all doing today? Doesn't look like we got a whole bunch of goodies out here, does it? People are putting their stuff out, but just don't see mass quantity of good things to grab. In fact, I haven't seen anything yet. I've never been in these roads before. I'm to scrap anyway. I'm really hoping that somewhere along here somebody's gotten tired of having some kind of stuff in their garage and they're gonna get rid of it, but it doesn't look that way. That's okay. We got a lot more area to go through, a lot more roads to drive up and down. Don't see anything there. Probably should take those things. Mark might like them. Bends. Yeah, I think my brother put them to good use. Not sure for what yet, but look like fruit baskets or fruit vegetable baskets. That's good. That'll be helpful. He can put metal in them or whatever he wants to do with them. It's not scrap metal, but it's something we can use for hauling stuff to the flea market when we go there. I couldn't imagine having to drive that long. Looks like it's way back in there. Pretty neat. But I wouldn't want to haul the garbage down there. Oh, seatbelt. You ought to remember to keep that seatbelt going. My ear's getting cold. Gotta be, oh, I'm gonna have to back up and do that one. Yeah. We might as well do this. It says no outlet, but there's no reason I can't go up in here and see if they got garbage cans out and got any kind of goodies in here. We'll do a U-turn and we'll head right back down. Well, nothing, is it? Certainly do not have anything there. I saw a nice turnaround like that and had a fairly good sized green space in the middle, and they'd set up benches with a little campfire ring deal. It was really neat. I thought, what a fabulous idea. It just seems to me over the top. Fantastic idea. Get out there with your neighbors, have a campfire, enjoy it. If we don't get anything, well, I guess we're out of luck. We found all kinds of things over the time we've been going. That's half the fun of this. It's not just scrap metal, but it's all the other goodies you find. It's just neat. People throw away the dangest things. My brother always seems to find the really good stuff. I'm not kidding you, it amazes me. Y'all have seen the stuff we get. It truly does amaze me when the stuff that my brother finds. Shocking sometimes. And I thank the Lord for all the stuff we find. Truly is amazing. Oh, it's a chicken mailbox. That's funny. Well, there's something. Oh, that's excellent. That's really something good. Thank you, Lord. That's a really nice thing there. I think that's a hot water heater. Thank you very much. See, that's the thing, is they're so few and far between. Thank God for everything you get. He's been great to me. He smiles down on me. It's just something we need. It certainly is something we need. I can't tell if that's metal or not, but I think it is. It's there. Lucky, lucky. Really? Hillbilly guy. No metal there. Just this metal. I'm gonna take that thing. That ain't too bad. How you doing? Just grabbing your scrap, sorry.
Oh no, boss, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Hopefully it's metal. See what that is, shall we? Maybe it's something, maybe it ain't. Looks like a lawnmower. I mean a vacuum. Mm-hmm. It's a base and tubing. It's a shovel head. In here, right? Shovel handle. That's better than nothing. That's only 3 in. I feel pretty good about that. And the heater's working really good. Oh, let's go see if there's any metal on that thing. Alright, let's get this open. Let's go get these. Look at all these goodies. I'm just going to take the lights out, because I know my brother will want the lights. I know what he's going to do with them too. He's going to make a Christmas scene out of them. Thank you, Lord. That was very nice of you. There's no metal in this thing. Here. I'm gonna dump them in there. Thank you, gentlemen. I greatly appreciate it. Plastic. Garbage. I ain't buying it. Christmas lights, we'll see. Maybe you'll want them, maybe you won't. And I tell you, the Lord is a wonderful person, wonderful entity. He's looking out for those of us who are trying to do the right thing in His name. That is no kidding. I feel blessed. When things like that happen, I know that God is looking down on me. Oh, I see this in that. Let's go look in here. I don't get this super bright because these folks probably don't know. Is this metal in here? I need to see if this is metal or not. Let's open it up and look. Well, that is plywood. This is metal. That's a cord. So that's got to come with me too. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to try and find it. It's a pizzazz. Oh, absolutely, my friend. this over here. Like so. We'll give him this glass piece back in his bags. Don't need that. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Lord. I'm not kidding about any of that. And it's so wonderful. That truly is wonderful. You've been glorious. Yeah, I need to find this stuff. Thanks very much. Oh, let's see what's in there, maybe. Never know. Oh, how you doing? Sorry.
Hey, you can have whatever you want.
Thank you, sir. Let's just, oh wait, we got something down here on the side. Not sure what it is. We'll have to come back and do that road too. Oh, a Dyson. Oh. So, yeah. Nice drive. It's beautiful. Somebody, oh no. Somebody took the good part out. We'll keep all this stuff. We'll keep this part for him. I don't think he needs any of that stuff. What's in there? Oh, smash the heck out of your truck there, ding dong. Thank you, Lord. Look at that, they got all their lights flashing at the same time. Make sure I left the rest of my goodies in here. Yeah. That's beautiful. That is nice. Yes, anyway, I'm actually having a pretty dang good time now because I'm actually finding something. I'm not just driving around for my health. Oh, let's see what this is. Chicken breasts. I love chicken. I'm not kidding. I love chicken. Boy, I think I'm crazy because I love chicken so much. That ain't no kidding. There's nothing I like but fried chicken. Holy cow. Ah, that makes my mouth water right now just thinking about getting some fried chicken. Ain't that silly for a grown man's mouth to be watering over fried chicken? Man, oh man, do I love it. And I'll tell you, make some good fried chicken. That's my wife. Holy cow. I can't even begin to tell you how wonderful it is to have her as my wife. I have lucked out. God was smiling on me when he put her in my life. And I didn't do anything in my life to deserve a gal like her. Well, there's some metal. So let's get out and get that metal. Ooh, that's bright. It's a chair. Stay right there for 1 second. Stinks, I think. It smells like Grandma and Grandpa's house, actually. That's what I think it smells like. Should looked in there, but I didn't, so we're not worried about it now. Sorry, I don't mean to be yawning and all that stuff, but boy, I'm getting tired. Well, let's get out and look. There's all kinds of stuff piled up in the air above it. I think this is one of the places we got a bunch of stuff before. Nothing, that's all just garbage, ain't it? That's metal, ain't it? Can't tell. I think this is metal. It is metal. Well, you look at that. You're so smart, Joseph. I tell you. Ain't no kidding. You are a smart feller. Let's see if there's anything there. Oh, it sure is. Would you look at that? What is it? Oh, look at there. Some kind of wire thing down in there. I want that too. What's that? That hurt a bit. We're doing pretty good. Not too bad. No, we're doing all right. Thank you. Oh, let me straighten this out a little bit. Tell you what, we're gonna have to push that forward. There we go. Alright, now. Whew. Dude, I'm tired now. Oh. Kind of tired now. Yeah.
Oh, hey, that's actually mine, bro.
Yeah, too bad, brother. Sorry, should have got there first.
Oh no, I live at that house.
Really? It's all
let me
scrap.
give you my card. No, I just put it out there right now, so.
Thanks, man.
We're gonna have to put it back. Look here, here, turn the light on. That's 5764 White Cliff Road.
You got a card, business card?
I'm just fucking with you. I put it out there for somebody to take.
But that is it.
Did I start getting you though?
No, I'm too fucking over that, man. I'm older than dirt.
Woo! Here, get me in this. Woo!
You care if I put you on my channel?
Hell yeah!
Cool, man. Thanks,
all right, we
bro.
like to party. Hey, what's your channel?
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, we just starting out, me and my brother. It's called Picking and Fishing.
Hey,
it's
what's
called what?
Picking and Fishing.
Hold on. Let me put
Oh,
this in
shit,
my... You said something fishing.
I love
Picking and
YouTube
Fishing.
Picking and fishing?
Yep.
I'm all subscribed.
Wait a
I'm gonna look it up
second.
and
How long
subscribe
have
to
you
it.
been doing this channel for? Because I
Well, we've been recording for like a month and a half, but we only got 2 videos up so far.
Shit. Hey, there's already a couple channels called Picking and Fishing on YouTube.
Wait, no.
So
Yeah.
you should add Rockford at the end of it so people know where it's at.
Cool.
I would love to watch that. I'd love to watch
Well, look it up. We're on there, man.
So, do you guys have a Facebook page?
No, we're gonna have to get one and get one of them.
Facebook page and make
there's
sure
something
it says
else,
Rockford on it. I want it. I will help you get your page out there.
Cool. All right, you gentlemen have a great day, man.
All right, hey, enjoy that washer.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
I'm gonna go home and clean my clothes.
You can edit your video. We're gonna fucking peel out, and on the way out, what do you want me to say? Like, well, I can't really.
Anything you want, man.
Wait, what's your YouTube video called?
It's called scrapping and scrapping and something, and then it's got episode whatever behind it.
Scrapping and stabbing episode whatever behind it.
Yeah, I'll take it easy now. We're gonna grab that thing. Turkey, smell those. What's in here? Oh, right there's a pan. Oh, we'll put that back here. Oh, you son of a gun. Scared the daylight out of me. No, we'll take that up. Put it up there. Oh no. That's a nice one. I wonder what that place is. They're pretty fancy houses. Oh, see, there's something there too. Where are my gloves? I tell you, I do not want to be handling all this stuff without some gloves on. There are my work gloves too. So that's pretty nice. That's beautiful. I don't know what that is, but it's definitely worth having. Sorry. Well, I tell you what, that was a nice couple of boys we have found there. I'm really glad to have met them. It's really, really good. Thank you, Lord. This is the second one in a row that did this. I'll take them all. That's very kind of them to do that, tie those things up like that. Oh man, this is God, I don't think I can get that in there at all. Yes, it is. Yeah, I don't think I can. Unless I shove that thing all the way forward. That's good enough. Fantastic. We got that one in there too. I never would have believed we got that in there. Well, all I gotta say is I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, push the like button, subscribe, and if you want to see more videos, hit that reminder bell. Thank you very much, and you have a great night.